started, I've been low-key. Now I fuck up a you like Indoki. Boy in the corner in 03 now. Every you and his chick knows me. How you gonna come to the session and bring no pee? Bring no bud, bring no sheets, bring no liquor and bring no peace. Didn't bring no bars, didn't bring no beats. Yeah, the kids no cheese, man, all of that. Man, are godly, y'all wanna watch me. Name your top 3, still wouldn't top me. Body bag use when I sew up their onesie. It's Cam Dog, the social honky. So loco when I flow, don't watch me. Not a thing if the popo stop me. It's no gamble, rock, paper, scissors. Don't hit block to clock major figures. Don't watch face, I clock snakes and lizards. Rip out your innards, that's guts for garters. Sluts, what's nuts regardless. Then I cut like I'm up in the barbers. Shut the fuck up while you're thinking I'm harmless. Kamikaze, this is Pearl Harbor. Don't think I'm not breaking your armor.
They're asking the youth who did it, the one who sprinkled the juju in it. What you man talk ain't too true, is it nothing more than a fag like tutus in it? Harder than half these youths who spit it. If it goes wrong, I'll say the voodoo did it. If the shoe fits me, I move units. Best pray I ain't got a shoe loose in it. Fuck tutus, man, I 2 boots with it. Move through before I move you in it. Don't get views on YouTube with it, but you man ain't got a blues clue. Zip it, ask the man them who gets real. MCs get spun like a roulette wheel. Nice with it, got that new crep feel. New creps, who's next? Which you gets peeled? I got a youth vex, what a coinky ding. They're washed up trying to rinse the sink. Mix the leftovers, then I drink your drink. In the past month, fair man have asked if the kids are ching. But no, I'm not Chinese, don't watch my peas. They're in need of cream like they got dry knees. Try clock my steez. Come with your indie R's, no big guy bars. Suggest your dip yard, I'll leave your boat in the shipyard. You don't hit hard, know who's in charge. Sicker than penis discharge. Heard bars like this, dog. Had bars from way back when. If you don't like me, say that then. Not like you're gonna come to my ends and spray Mac 10s from the back of your Maybach Benz.
Verbal warfare, limbs get hacked off. Me, I get love from Bronson to scrapped off. Round of applause, man, take your hats off. Haters hear me like, oh, not that. Out in the street, they call it murder. Welcome to Matt Rock. And what? Do right my flows in caps lock. Girl wants it hearing, now like Vandross. Brick bras and pants off, back shots. She likes it rough like the side of a matchbox. For you, that's a myth like a Sasquatch. Couldn't give a if man watch man. I'm not Wilsdorf, still raw. Trying to figure how long I've been ill for. Me, I set levels, all tight the man like.
Every time I tie up my boots, thinking would I swap this for the mic or the booth? Can't cut away things that lie in my roots, and my life is the proof. And man are asking me, is it the ball or the mic? See, I ball like a mic. MCs are way too quick to get caught in a hype. Never fuck with Piggy like Lord of the Flies. Never get a damn day's rest, I'm Kanye West. Know why I want all of the lights. Talking whether it's the stage of the floodlights. Gotta drive slow on the road to the good life. Got friends who kick ball in the prem. Friends that are living in the walls of a pen. Friends that ain't really friends no more, and that's probably why I ain't talking to them. Kids spitting bars that I laid on a track, or kids wearing shirts and my name on the back. Goals achieved. Shit don't happen if you don't believe. If you don't give love, then you won't receive. I mean, it's not just something I could leave on the shelf. If I left it behind, I'd be leaving myself. Wouldn't swap these 4 CDs on the shelf. It's the heart of a nation versus the voices of our generation. Man, I'm gonna make everyone proud. That's words to my G's. From the bars in my mouth to the dirt on my knees. Some man, they live to dream. I'm trying to live 2 dreams. Until I get what I want, fam, I ain't going nowhere. Playing at Wembley, then sell out a show there.
I never had bars for who, bars for you. That shit ain't hard to do. Don't make me throw an MC on the barbecue. Won't bar him up, man, I'll char him up. Like I never had bars for them. Strapped with an A4 and a Parker pen. I got friends doing 6.5 in pen, saying let the dogs out like Barham men. You ain't got bars, they're iller than that. So I roll to the dance in a fisherman hat. See a ting with a bigger the bat. Swear down, somebody put this in a yak, so I ain't sipping on that. Yeah, I spend lots of dough, especially in the dance with Watts and Mo. Me, I look fresh from top to toe on the go. Yeah, you know I'm gonna pop the mo. And everybody, yeah, they want a glass. And all the random girls, they stop to ask. Tell them, girl, nah, that's not me. Why you spilling on my drink? Nah, that's not free. Couldn't give up, don't dance properly. Man, I skank on my ones, got cash, got P on my bank card. Get waves, then dash hard. Man, heard my new freestyle like Cam Dog, that's hard.
I've been about since Camahu, since Road Deep made Heartache Avenue. See, I'm a big dog, no, I'm not scrappy dude. Them man are weak-spirited like Malibu. I'm more than nice, Morgan Spice, head up in the clouds. Northern Lights, it's the next thing, head spin. Warrior, I'm Redskin, I am the shit that you stepped in. Attack with a hammer and sickle, does that make me left wing? Man can't walk in my crepe thing, attack from the sky. Yeah, that's Zeppelin, man move sly. Know who's a brethren, see they ain't baking a loaf. They're cutting your slice and making a toast. They ain't chip for the bottle, they're making a toast. Don't bring to the table, they take from the host. I ain't ghost. Put my city on the map, is exactly what I want. I wanna help LC like the glasses on Lamont. Put my city on the map, it's exactly what I want. I wanna help LC like the glasses on Lamont. Moves they're trying to mirror mine. Yes, that vanilla guy, smoother than Jamiroquai. You be on that slip and slide, thinking that you're cruising, but you're more Tom in Vanilla Sky. Lyrics so, but no flow like the river's dry. I had a real good thing, I write in feel good ink. Yeah, my script's on that Gorillaz vibe. They'll cry when Trigger died, and all you got is memories, no gigabytes. Trying to go from only fools and horses to Rollies, jewels and Porsches. extract from different pools and sources. No shortage for the payments on my mortgage. Fans, they give me plaudits. Rivals forced to forfeit. The center of this orbit, Ronnie Corbett, use a funny man, right?
I'm a poltergeist, when I did it for me, I'm Walter White. I got 2 wheels, yeah, that's a motorbike. Man wanna snake me, then know the price. Schizo, we told them right, I can make you an enemy overnight. Man got Hennessy, Coke and ice. Man got the remedy, flow that's nice. My youth, you can never be with it. That's a series of unfortunate events. Lemony Snicket, got Coke, mixed Hennessy with it. I'm the fox, never the chicken, like bot. You go round in circles like Doc Goose. Do we get fucked up truth? I swear the tape, it must have come unstuck. Or a couple nuts, they must have come loose. And just to conclude, you must be confused. You can never do what I does, cause I fit the profile. I am the unsub, 21, still no bum fluff.
This ain't no gangster's paradise, I don't show coolio symmetry. Rap is to me what animes the studio Ghibli. Who you know lyrically, don't expect no bougie hoes to do me no differently. Smoke a doobie, though it will be nice. Audio chemistry, course we flow heavenly. I can't say my arrogance has never gone and bought me no enemy. Story goes better, me better change the frequency. At least do me the decency to speak to me, but you keep your lips closed like ventriloquist. Me, I pen iller shit to stem killer scripts. About to meet the father, Ben Stiller shit. Out my mind since 2009, I've been killing them. See me and they're moving gingerly like Prince William. The kid triggered them to raise the stakes like cattle farmers. Mr. R, just Mr. R. What you really wanna challenge karma? Better grab your battle armor and view my panorama. Grab a chair, a can of lager. This is Kamasaga.
Yeah, man, I get topped up. You're at home in your room getting topped up. Me, I'm out with the goons getting fucked up. But I swear my life's kinda fucked up. But I'm looking for a happier day. I got my city on my back, I'm trying to carry the weight. But MCs wanna come and get carried away. That's when they get body bagged and carried away. Used to have big bars back in the day. Man used to hate why I was unsure. Trying to step on Mac like I was next to the front door. Come against me, then you're done for. Give you a run for your money. Go on then, come for me, sonny. Cold out here, my country ain't sunny. Got no peas, blood, you still ask mum for your money.